Today's Hukamnama is a blessing from Sachkhand Shri Harmandir Sahib. Hukamnama is placed in Dhan Dhan Shri Guru Granth Sahib Maharaj on Ang 717. Guru Maharaj has composed the Hukamnama in Rag Todi. It's a beautiful melody which provides calmness to the mind. साध संग हर हर नाम चितारा सहज आनंद होवै दिन राती अंकुर भलो हमारा. In the Sadh Sangat, I meditate on the name of Har Har, the eternal Lord. सहज आनंद होवै दिन राती अंकुर भलो हमारा. Ankur means a seed. When seed is sown in the soil of mind, it has to sprout. It has to turn into a plant and bring the fruit. One may sow the seed of jealousy. That is a bad seed, which will bring the bad fruit. One may help someone, exercise compassion, deal people with humility. That is a good seed that will bring harmony in the life. Because the fruit of that seed is harmony, anand, joy. Not only we are looking for the harmony in this life, we want this harmony, this bliss to be eternal. So Guru Maharaj describes, carry on doing good deeds, carry on sowing good seeds in the soil of your mind. But those seeds will only sprout and give you the true fruit of union with Vaheguru if you come to the Sadh Sangat in the holy company and meditate on Vaheguru. In the Sadh Sangat, meditation amplifies. You may do meditation on your own, but when you do the meditation, the Simran in the Sadh Sangat, it amplifies. Reason being, there are so many Gurmukhs, when they chant Vaheguru's Naam, they are connected to Vaheguru, the signal is magnified. You start enjoying Simran. The other benefit of Sadh Sangat is, in the Sadh Sangat, you have people who have been doing Naam Simran. They have a aura, very positive aura. Being in their company, you are also affected. It's like a forest which is full of sandalwood trees. When you enter that forest, you start smelling like sandalwood. There is a beautiful aroma, beautiful perfume. Kabir Sahib reveals, Chandan ka birwa pala, bedeo tak palas, oy bhi chandan hoye rahe, basai jo chandan paas. You can put a little weed next to the sandalwood tree. It will start smelling like sandalwood, although there is no perfume from the weed. So this is the benefit of Sadh Sangat. Because of the aura of the Sadh Sangat, because of presence of Dhan Dhan Shri Guru Granth Sahib's Bani, it affects the mind. Sahaj ananda hova din rati. Then you remain in the anand, day and night. Sahaj means a state of mind where you do not make any effort. It just happens. It becomes your second nature. Subconsciously, you are doing something which you don't have to make effort. It's like breathing process. How many times we say, I forgot to breathe? I have heard people saying, I forgot to eat, I was so busy. Breathing is very essential for our life. That happens automatically in Sahaj Avastha. Similarly, when we carry on reading the Gurbani, practicing the Gurbani in our life, our nature becomes very kind. We become tolerant. We become accepting. And we do not have to make effort. This is our nature. We remember Vaheguru. We follow Vaheguru's hukam. We do not have to make effort. All that has become part of our life and thinking. All the wisdom comes from Guru. Sat Sangat is where Gurbani Vichar is happening. And Gurbani Vichar, contemplation of the Gurbani of Tan Tan Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj, is singing glory of Almighty Lord. You can meet someone in the city center, and if you are discussing Gurbani, because one Singh, he met me in the city center, he said, I could not understand the meaning of the Hukamnama. So we were discussing Gurbani in the city center, and city center became the place of worship. We are connected to Vaheguru. At workplace, many times we do discussion and think about the greatness of Vaheguru's creation. How baby is born is amazing. How from a little tiny particle we get a beautiful body. I talk to my colleague, and that place, workplace, becomes Gurdwara, a Sat Sangat. So Sat Sangat is a place where you are singing Vaheguru's praises. Sat Sangat kaise jani hai? Sat Sangat kaise jani hai jithe eko naam wakhani hai. So all comes from the Guru. Gur pura petyo bad bhagi janko ant na para vara. Guru's glory cannot be narrated. Guru is great. The gyan, the wisdom we get from Guru Granth Sahib's Bani is amazing. Kar gah kaad liyo jan apna bik sagar sansara. Bik means poison, sagar means ocean. This whole world is ocean of poison. Poison implies hatred, jealousy, anger, greed. How many people are greedy? Even the rulers, they have become so corrupt that the people have to do the protest. What we see in Ukraine now is the president has gone into hiding. Because of the power, he became corrupt. But Satsangaji, at worldly level, we see in the families a soul poisonous ocean everywhere. But with the wisdom of the Guru, Guru takes all the servants, his devotees, out of this poisonous ocean. Kar gah kaad liyo jan apna. Kar means hand, gah means to hold. Vaheguru has held me by the hand and pulled me out of this worldly, treacherous ocean. Janam maran kate gur bachani boho na sankat dwara. My janam is birth, maran is death. Cycle of death and birth has been put to an end through Guru's words. Through Guru's wisdom, I will never have to see the gate of suffering, which is to enter the rebirth cycle. Nanak sharan gahi swami ki pune pune namaskara. I have sought the Sharan, the sanctuary of the Lord and Master, and bow to the Swami, my Lord and Master, again, again and again. Sadh Sangat ji, Guru Ramdas ji, before he became the Guru, he was very charitable. He will help anyone who needed help. Guru Amar Das ji was sowing the seed of goodness in the soil of his mind. One day, he meets a saint, and saint said, "Who is your Guru?" Guru Amar Das ji said, "I do not have any Guru." And this sadhu, this pandit, he said, "If you do not have Guru, you are wasting your life." Sadh Sangat ji, Guru Amar Das ji, when he heard about that, he went searching for the Guru. It was his daughter-in-law, Bibi Amro, who was the daughter of Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj, the second Sikh Guru. When she was reading and reciting the Shabad early in the morning, Paya Manur Kanchan Fir Hova, Je Gur Mile Tneha, the rusted mind becomes like gold if you meet the Guru. When Guru Amar Das Ji Maharaj heard that Shabad, he said to Bibi Amro, "Please take me to the Guru." So all the good seeds Guru Amar Das ji had sown in his soil of his mind, seed of compassion, seed of righteousness, seed of contentment, they started giving fruit when Guru Amar Das ji Maharaj went in the Sadh Sangat, the Sangat of the Guru, where he acquired the Gyan, he did the Seva. Tantan Guru Amar Das ji Maharaj remained in the Sangat of Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj for 11 years. What was the end result? He was blessed with the Guruship. He became the Guru of the whole world. What we need to think is, we have been coming to the Gurdwara for so long, how we have progressed. Is our life full of anand, full of bliss? If it is not, we are lacking somewhere. We need to start doing the vichar of the Gurbani, put Bani into practice, implement in our lives. Very, very important. Sunaya mannaya man kita pao, antargat tirat malnao. Listen, accept, and practice with love. Then you will have anand in your life. Pullan chokka di maafi. प्यार ना फतेह सांझी करनी जी। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।